Grab a small glass cup and pour in about 50 milliliters of water. Now, take some apple slices and drop them in. Add a little orange peel too. Also add a sliced lemon in. Next, grab about 7 cloves and drop them in. Take 3-star anise pods and toss those in as well. Now, we're adding 2 cinnamon sticks. Break them with your hands into smaller pieces. Fill the rest of the glass container with water. Then add a generous splash of vegetable oil. The key here is to make sure the oil covers the entire surface of the water. And for that luxurious touch, add about 10 drops of your favorite essential oil. Now, take a plastic cup and carefully cut the bottom part off using scissors. Once you've got a flat circular base, make a small hole right in the center. This will hold our wick. Use a piece of wick. And if you don't have one, don't worry. Any strong thick thread works. Pass it through the hole and set it right on top of the oil. The oil keeps the wick burning smoothly and cleanly. All that's left is to light it up. This homemade aromatic candle is the ultimate solution. It fills your home with a soothing natural fragrance while chasing away mosquitoes and flying insects. And the best part, it's long-lasting. As long as there's oil, this candle keeps glowing, keeping your space cozy, fresh, and insect-free.